My name is Dewald de Vos. I'm the Business Development Manager for the Western and Northern Cape. Mostly business development, finding new clients and assisting them through the process of signing up. I joined Aerobotics in October 2018. There's no such thing really as a typical day for me at the moment, but it's mostly client visits, a lot of time spent on the road, getting to the farms, speaking to the farmers, and then just managing the back end to get the clients onboarded and happy. I'd probably have to say I'd be a rally driver and close second a pro golfer, for obvious reasons. I'd have to say family, of course, and a close second, friends. I believe the people you surround yourself with plays a big role in how you experience life and what your happiness levels are. I'd have to say grapes, given all the varieties and especially that I've been looking after the vineyard portfolio of Aerobotics. And that said, you also make wine from grapes, so that's a good one.